lights, camera, action. Final is clear. Setting full power. Engines are green. Let's roll. Airspeed is alive. Keeping a little bit of back pressure.
Monte, transition approved. Monte, altimeter 299.
And rotate.
And we're going to be clear the top.
And Monte Tower, Cessna 526, reporting bird activity midfield.
That's 526, right?
Hey, we're climbing. Looking at 75 on the airspeed. Alright. Get around to the wing. Gonna go ahead. Left downwind. Alright, instruments are green. We're looking good. Gonna climb out to 2,500 and head over to cable. Pick up some gas. Irwindale Speedway.
That's 526, traffic 3 miles southwest Pomona VOR. Joining the final approach course. Cherokee altitude engage 2,900. Frequency change approved.
Looking for traffic. Switching frequencies. Good day, 526.
Good day.
Alright, we're gonna switch over to Santa Fe practice area. And I'm gonna lean just a little bit. Alright, maintaining 2,500. We're on Santa Fe practice area frequency. Santa Fe practice area, Cessna 526 is a white Cessna, 2,500 over Santa Fe Dam, transiting eastbound above the 210 Santa Fe. Final call. Alright, now we're going to switch to bracket tower, which is 118.2. Doesn't sound like there's anybody in Santa Fe practice area. Bracket tower, Cessna 19526, 2,500, 10 miles to the west, transiting airspace, eastbound for cable.
Cessna 19526, bracket tower, transition approved, bracket altimeter 29907, report cable in sight.
29907, and I will report cable, Cessna 526. Okay, we are straight and level. Magnetic heading to compass is 70. That is set. Alright, so on my handheld, I'm going to go ahead and put cable AWAS on, see if I can pick up the weather.
Cable Airport, automated weather observation 210, 8 Zulu, wind 240, and 10, knots, peak tide 189, visibility more than 10, sky conditions clear below 12,000, temperature 2 Celsius, dew point 14 Celsius, altimeter 2,997 inches of mercury, Vermont, density altitude 3,500.
Alright, so we've got cables, weather, so we're going to expect runway 24, which is what I had anticipated, and I'm going to go ahead and put cable in here, which is 1, 2, 3, 0. And let's see if I can hear anybody in the pattern over there as I'm approaching, just for situational awareness.
Pick up traffic 83 Foxtrot, short final 24,
I hear traffic in final, they're using 24, and according to the weather, we've got a 10 knot wind straight down the runway, so it should be pretty ideal landing conditions. I'll get cable on here because that'll be next, which is 123.00 is the CTAP at cable. The bracket, let's see if I got cable. I got cable inside there. Cessna 526 has cable inside. More traffic.
Number 56, or correction 526, frequency change approved. Does appear to be one in the cable pattern. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Changing frequency. Good day. 526.
Downwind 24, cable traffic.
Cable traffic. Cessna 526 is 2 miles northwest inbound. Runway 24. Cable. I have traffic departing and one in the downwind. I'm going to do it midfield, cross for a teardrop entry. Cable traffic, Cessna 526, 2,500, 2 miles north, crossing midfield for a teardrop entry cable.
Cable traffic, final 24, cable traffic.
Alright, I've got the final traffic in sight. I've got the airplane on the roll.
Cable traffic, Cessna 562 for Golf. I'm on the downwind. I have the traffic off to my right. I guess you'll be making a 45.
Roger, I've got you in sight. And Cessna 526 is making a 45 entry, 1 mile entry for the 45 runway 24 cable.
Roger. So, Cessna 562 for Golf. Downwind, beam the numbers, 24 cable.
Alright, power
Traffic A3 Foxtrot on downwind. We'll be doing slow flight for separation. A3 Foxtrot right behind the Cessna.
Cable traffic, Cessna 24 for doing a short approach, 24 cable.
Cessna 526 is turning downwind from the 45 entry cable.
And cable traffic, this is A3 Foxtrot. We're doing slow flight on downwind, A3 Foxtrot.
I've got you inside. You're ahead of me. You want to speed it up?
I'm speeding up, A3 Foxtrot.
Alright, I'm going to slow it down. Let this guy get it in ahead of me. 10 degrees
Cable
of flux.
traffic, Cessna 5 Echo Sierra is turning crosswind for runway 24 cable.
Okay, carpet is on, fuel is on, we are rich. 20 degrees of flaps is set. And speed is good. Cable traffic, Cessna 526, turning final, runway 24, full stop cable. Alright. Degrees of flaps, we are short final. Cable traffic, Cessna 526, short final, runway 24, full stop cable.
Cable traffic, Cessna 5 Echo Sierra is turning base for runway 24 cable.
Alright, airfield is made. Airspeed is good, power is coming out. Alright, we are good, flaps are up, carb heat is off. Cable traffic, Cessna 526, clear runway 24 at Charlie, taxiing fuel cable. Alright. That was a fun little flight, and luckily I went with the teardrop entry, because if I had have gone just the direct entry into the downwind, we would have been amongst a lot of traffic which I would not have been able to see. So luckily I was able to keep an eye on all that traffic that was coming in and touch down safely. Time to get some cheap AVGAS, ladies and gentlemen. That's what it's all about. Have a good day.